Good morning. I'm quickly out at the rock pile because it's raining just enough that everything's got a nice wetness, but it's not raining too hard that it's coming through the trees and gonna affect me. But hi, he follows me everywhere, even out into the rain. I was looking at a few thinking they definitely have that pink and quartz stuff that I'm finding a lot of stuff made of. That's one of those quartzite. It's got that patina on it that looks orangey, but that's that white and it quartzite stuff. So this is something, I know it. It's so light. It's really strange. That's a face, I think. Or these are a face this way too, probably. There's more and more and more to these things too. I'm just touching on the surface level. Some of them, I admit, are probably from the field. Like this is next to a farmer's field. But all of the stuff I've found leads me to think it's a lot more as well. But before my phone gets rained on and I can't film anymore, I wanted to talk about this kind of rain you can really see how purple this stone is. It looks gray, but that's purple and it's translucent in the cracks. Like you can see it's translucent. And he really pops out in the rain. Hair, eye, a band, like a seat belt, okay? His nose is like over here. It looks like I thought he was smoking, right? And then it looks like there was like something here, but he looks like he's flying a darn ship with like some kind of a seatbelt. His nose is attached. This is very Mayan. And it's on this beautiful purple stone. This is where they came to get the mammoths or something. Or I don't know what. Oh, here's some more of that orangey color. It goes down over there. Okay, it's starting to really rain harder. Let's walk in. Come on. That's another pink and black and quartz striped one. My cat likes to sit right up on that very top one. Stripe. There's a really cool one that they've got covered up. They put a bunch of sticks and stuff, or branches and stuff, but there's a really cool one with like a pyramid in there. I can't get to it yet. So it's like been poured cement over. It's like a very turtle-shaped mound of rocks. And then I was talking about those clothesline dials. That's one of them. And it is grown in there like crazy. And on it, it says Wright Aluminum Company with a W. Someone has put a chain through it in recent times, but that's really old. And there's a wire that goes through a knot. And then the other dial is way up there. And that tree is grown over it pretty far. And then, oops, there's one of the blazes that I see a lot of places. It's like this really deep hole. Looks like something was even screwed in over here. Because look at this. That wire that was through the knot comes over right there. Sorry, oh my gosh. And there's like a clamp on the other side and stuff. And I can see like digging in where it looks like more wires. But that branch goes right over that mound. And the one I call the Tommy Knocker stone, it's right over there. And it's full of veins of what look like metal. So were they somehow electrocuting people, you know, in the way we do now with paddles to wake them up or something? This might have really been a hospital for birthing or something. But then it also could have been turned into something much more sinister. I'm getting real weird images through these stones. Like some of them seem Egyptian. Plain. Okay. So that tree even like was like probably hollow. There was something like a hospital around here. And these stones are so thin, and with the big grooves, like there might have been something very big here. There it is. Veins, flat surface full of veins. Veins of metal and crystal that like seem to have been possibly chipped out and stuff. forgot to say on this side is that really female looking plate. It looks like a Renaissance, like female almost. Maybe it's a man though. That might just be my female gaze turning that into that, but it's very thin and it's made of that pink and like quartz stuff. It's really stained in a weird way though. And look, it's like discoloring more and more. It's a pretty little bird, I think. Some of these I've brought back out after looking at them for a while. Because if anything, I know where they are, you know? I need them. Okay, look, so. I was over here and I totally missed this. I found another, this one's another one of those quartz was with the patina. And this one is that pink and quartz that's like purplish clear that I have a bunch of. And this looks like a bunch of them are meant to be stacked and fit together like a puzzle. And this is, it's dirty, okay, but this is one of those. It's like a Lego piece. It's like a block. And there's this nice indentation on the top where a rock, another one would stack. See that in there? This one's really polished too. It's totally smooth. It's awesome feeling. There's something there. There's like a little thumb spot or something there. That's the only little notch. The rest is like kind of flat and squarish. So this is definitely one that goes together with other ones, I believe. It's hard sometimes to get them right, you know? Oh yeah, that one feels really cool in the hand. And the reason why I don't take all of them, like in that little creek I had found one that was red that looked like it had been carved into a face, which a lot of them are, this red stone carved into people. Like they do that a lot. Another one of those big quartzite pieces. This one's been like treated and has that metal stuff across. Something looks like it was here and chipped off. It also kind of looks like a face, a relief of a face, but oh shoot, what was I talking about? I can't remember now, and it was important. Darn it, witnessing one of those foggy moments. Oh, the reason I don't take all of them is because I have so many, like, and I have so much going on here. I can't take them all, you know, I can't save them all. I know where that one is. Like, I don't know. I just, sometimes I feel like I can't take them. Look at that eye, nose. It's very 3D too. And it's also that quartzite stuff. I mean that pink and quartz stuff. Look at that. Whoops. I love the 3D ones like this. very pink and purplish. It's got thin edges. It's like really easy to hold. Because that goes to a thin edge. Huh. Okay. And look what showed up. I hadn't even noticed it. This is a ball of clay. It's just clay. It rolled out of the field or something. Look at that. Wow. Faces in the stone. I found a clay head. That's all clay. Wow. Oh my goodness. How am I not noticing these? It's probably been here for a while. But actually, I'm having like weird experiences where it's like maybe I didn't notice them, but rocks that weren't there are all of a sudden... I think maybe the cats knocked them off in the night. That one was knocked off. That one there got knocked off from on here. I think the cats or animals jump around on it at night. Oh, I really gotta go, guys. It's so late. Have a good day.